Top 10 back-to-school hairstyles for girls 2025 schools starting soon, and the right hairstyle can boost your confidence and style. From quick morning fixes to bold personal statements, here are 2025's top trendy school hairstyles for girls' fun, easy, and sure to stand out. 1. Braids. Playful and perfect for busy mornings. They're quick, secure, and cute. 2. Soft curtain bangs, effortlessly stylish and flattering for all face shapes. Great for framing your face with little upkeep. 3. Messy space buns, fun and functional. These buns keep hair out of your face while showing your style. 4. Half-up claw clip twist. This 90s-inspired style is trendy and easy. 5. Braided crown, elegant and neat for a polished school day look. 6. High puff afro bun. Celebrate natural hair. These styles are bold and protective. 7. Shake cut with wispy bangs, edgy and modern, with soft bangs for balance. 8. Straight lob, simple, sleek, and low maintenance. Great for all face shapes. 9. Mini accent braids, tiny details, big impact. Add 1 or 2 for a cool, subtle twist to any look. Subscribe and hit the button for more styles.